Yeah, Diane, we have been on the move this afternoon, checking out what's going on as this storm moves in. On Centennial Boulevard, it was coming down pretty good with rain mixed with some sleet, very wet up there. At 5 o'clock over at Woodman, the roads are wet, but it's up. Right now here at Monument, the roads are dry, but you can see clouds that are moving in over Tiller County after this truck moves past us here. You can also see up on the mountain there where snow has been coming down. But what's happening with crews around, they are monitoring the situation as this storm transitions. Warm pavement will melt the first snow, so they'll watch for it changing to slush and then snow.
Mother Nature is in control on this one. She's big, she's bad, and she's going to bring it.
The warmth is a factor because roads are starting out wet. There is no pre-anti-icing treatment in El Paso County and the city that will go down because it would just wash away. The snow that does fall will be heavy and wet. There's also potential for some points in the storm when it could pile up as fast as 2 inches an hour. If that happens, plow crews will have to stay on priority 1 roads. That's main arterials like Academy, Platte, Woodman, and Briargate Boulevard.
At a 2-inch an hour snowfall rate, it looks like they weren't even there. And so he's going to take that inside lane, and they're going to continue to do that loop continuously until that snowfall rate starts to lighten up and they can start to make some ground on that particular route.
The wet snow forecast also has repair crews with utility companies on alert. It poses multiple threats to overhead power lines. The weight alone can take down single lines. It also bends trees into lines, and the combination can cause some major damage, even possibly to poles. If you see a hanging or downed line, the caution is to always assume it is still charged and stay at least 35 feet back and let utility workers take care of it. Right now, as I said, we're seeing clouds move in. We've seen some rain, some sleet in that, some dry roads, some wet roads. But the main thing is the roads are passable right now, and emergency managers say take advantage of that and get anything you may need, whether it's groceries, prescriptions, get it all. So tomorrow, if you need to, you can just hunker down, stay inside, let the storm pass. In Colorado Springs, in Monument, Bill Folsom, News 5.
Bill, thank you.